Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Offerpad to understand iBuyer pricing tools, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Offerpad website in your preferred web browser. Locate the Sign Up or Get Started button on the homepage. Click on the button to initiate the subscription process. You will be directed to a registration page. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a secure password for your account. Make sure to read and agree to the terms of service. Click the Submit or Create Account button to proceed. Check your email for a confirmation message from Offerpad. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. After verification, log into your newly created Offerpad account. Once logged in, navigate to the Pricing Tools section. This section is often labeled as iBuyer pricing tools or similar. Explore the available tools to understand how iBuyer pricing works. Use the interactive features to input property details for customized estimates. Take note of any instructional videos or guides provided on the site. If you have questions, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance. Regularly check for updates and new resources related to pricing tools. Engage with community discussions or forums if available on the platform. Stay informed about the latest trends and changes in iBuyer pricing strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.